It's high time. Understanding a classic English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase. It's high time. This phrase is not just a marker of time but carries a rich layer of urgency and necessity. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these expressions can really bring your language skills to life. So, let's get started. It's high time is a phrase used to indicate that a particular action is overdue and should be done immediately. It's a way of saying that the right moment to do something is now, or even that it should have been done earlier. This expression is often used to emphasize urgency or to express a strong recommendation. When you use, "it's high time," you're not just talking about the present moment. You're also suggesting that there has been a delay, and the action has become more critical. It's like saying, "We've waited long enough, and now action must be taken." Using "it's high time" correctly involves understanding its context and connotation. It's typically followed by a past subjunctive verb form, which might sound a bit formal or old-fashioned but is correct in this construction. Let's look at some examples. It's high time we talked about this. Even though "talked" is in the past tense, we're referring to a conversation that needs to happen now. It's high time you cleaned your room. This suggests that the room should have been cleaned by now, and it needs to be done immediately. Remember, the phrase is not used for actions that will happen in the future but rather for actions that are overdue and need attention now. A common mistake learners make is using the simple present tense after "it's high time," such as, "It's high time you clean your room." While this might be understood, it's not traditionally correct. The correct form uses the past subjunctive, reflecting an action that has not yet occurred but is demanded or recommended. Another mistake is using "it's high time" for future actions. This phrase is for urging immediate action or regretting a delay, not for future plans. Understanding and using phrases like "it's high time" can add depth and nuance to your English. It shows not only your command of grammar but also your ability to express urgency and importance effectively. We hope this video has shed light on this classic phrase and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's high time you subscribe to our channel for more insightful English language tips. See you in the next video.